Today we have the key to one of the fastest SUVs in the world, the Aston Martin DBX 707. A 697 horsepower beast of an SUV that is just absolutely gorgeous, stunning, fast, and elegant, all wrapped into one amazing package. And today we have a very dirty one, and that's because we're in the beautiful Green Mountain state of Vermont. It was snowing earlier. We're gonna do a launch control, so stick around to find out what I think about this amazing SUV. Now, starting up with looks, look at the way the front grille blends into this car. It makes it so sporty and incredibly kind of demeaning almost in a way that also breeds some sophistication. And I think that must be admired with all of Aston Martin's cars. And of course, the black accents make it look that much better. Now, the color on this is Aston Martin Racing Green, which is the same green that's found on the AMR Aston Martin Racing F1 car, and it looks absolutely elegant with these beautiful 22-inch Helix wheels, which actually came from the dealer in this two-tone color, silver and satin black, and then they were powder coated after just to make the car look a little bit more sporty and menacing. The yellow, massive carbon ceramic brakes. You don't really get carbon ceramic brakes on an SUV, but of course Aston has thrown these on this car. Right now we're rocking the Pirelli Scorpion Zero All Seasons. This car needs all seasons, especially if you live in the Northeast or a colder climate. All right, heading back to the rear of the car, the business end, one of the most gorgeous parts of this vehicle in my opinion. Looking at the top, you have a top spoiler that has a carbon fiber lip. Then you get the duck wing, and I think this part of the car is absolutely gorgeous. Of course, you get the giant Aston Martin logo, and also these amazing kind of swan-like brake taillights that look fantastic. And then of course the quad tailpipes with the rear diffuser. That's awesome. I love the combination and the way that they handle the back of this car. All right, let's check out the trunk real quick. So looking in the trunk, you get a ton of space. Look at this, a lot of room. You can fit a ton of things. You also get the ability to have an umbrella, which comes from the factory. This is a $400 option. It's not really necessary, but you can get it. And of course, everything is wrapped in leather in this car. Just a leather lover's dream. Then you also have ability to control the air suspension. So I can press these buttons and raise and lower the air suspension at will. Very cool. Very, very cool system. You also have the ability to lower both rear seats. Again, ton of storage. Just a good back. All right, let's jump in the back seat and show you guys how luxurious this car is and how much leather there is. Oh my God, the floor mats are so dirty. Anyways, getting in here, you're greeted by this gorgeous glass roof from the front all the way to the back. So much visibility. It definitely adds a bit more air and sophistication to the interior, and it feels a bit more roomy. Looking at the sides here, you have so much leather in this gorgeous yellow stitching, the fishhook door latches. You also have another door handle up here, a grip handle in leather, and of course the coat hanger also finished in leather. Everything in this car is just extremely luxurious, and you can tell it's like the finest quality, most supple leather that you can get. All right, enough talking about the interior. It's time to get this thing on the road. Let's start it with loud mode. The sounds and pops that come out of this car are fantastic, I must say. All right. In Sport Plus, of course, to start. Man, the exhaust note sounds fantastic. But this car is the perfect, like, exotic experience car that I feel like you can really take anywhere. You know, it's really held up well in the snow, in the rain, on these dirty roads. It's, of course, very dirty on the inside, but that doesn't mean that it doesn't have to provide you with an incredible driving experience, which this car is doing. This is the daily driver and one of the best SUVs I've ever driven. It has to be. I mean, think about the stats. 700 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 3.1 seconds. It is luxurious and comfortable. All the leather you could possibly want. Tons of space in the back to store whatever you need. And of course, you can bring 4 of your friends along with you on your ski trip. This is the performance SUV if you want something a little bit different. Think about all the competition. You have the Turbo GT, you have the URUS Performante, you have the Tesla Model X Plaid if you want an EV. That's the performance category that I would argue this car sits in, and it's probably up there, top 3 in terms of where it performs. It's fast, it's luxurious, it provides all the comfort that you possibly could need, and it's just so damn fun to drive. Let's do our launch start. Oh my God, Jesus Christ, spinning tires, ripping hills, just so much fun. The way it throws you back, a 5,000 pound machine should not be able to do that. This thing is incredible. Just so much fun to drive. And these roads complement it so well. If you want a driver's SUV that's kind of unique, but is fast, comfortable, and offers performance like no other SUV, this is the one. Oh my goodness. Just so exhilarating. Transmission's excellent too. A wet clutch. Nine-speed Aston Martin derived wet clutch transmission. Different than the standard DBX. Standard DBX just has a normal 9G straight up off Mercedes. This one has the wet clutch, which is basically the same thing, but it's bathed in engine oil, and you typically would find that more on a motorcycle. Wow, this is gorgeous. Look at this road. Look at this road. That's why you gotta love the mountains, man. You get experiences like this. Woo! If you like videos like this, don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button. Tons more content coming out for 2024. Amazing videos. I really appreciate all the likes, all the comments. Literally, it makes my day. Thank you so much. Please hit that subscribe button to watch more content like this today. Anyways, peace out, guys.